Good morning. These are the 7 cubes that the tutorial cubes. So it starts with that, for example, just the white cross aligned, the first layer, the second layer, the yellow cross in the third layer, the yellow cross aligned, and then finally the whole cube. There are intermediary I could think of. For example, I could have one cube between these two that has the placing of the corners before we turn the corners. I've had that in other collections. I've also had other collections where in here I would create only the white face, but really these are the 7 cubes that I would call a set, the ones I go to most of the time. Sometimes they're 8, but this works. This is what the student learned on from beginning to end. There might even also be a 0 cube before that here that has nothing but the centers, so that everything else is blackened out except for the centers. That also just teaches you that the centers stay constant. But this is a great collection. These cubes have been sacrificed. They are no longer fully functioning cubes. They are just tutorial cubes.